Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kemasan postemi bat ke bapau baha ke kod admission na kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course yang jingte bakambanya kol hakini ke number harum.
Deputy Commissioner ke Ribah District ulami Syakman ban pensyai pekba ha ke baidai bat ke jing kini caka kawala penskok khia ya ke Nongpoh Town Shopping Complex ha ke singi thok dieng. Kani ke jing bom ya manager ya kani ke lingkot caka ke badai ke balashna ya ke interlocking concrete block pavement ban yang kali ya ke balakam dakarat Nongpoh. Kani ke jing pensyai ke lawan hadian bagi board pengat district layo ya ke jing ujor na ke Nongpoh Town Committee Halor ke Jingkam Trai ke rat Nongpoh Halor kani ke caka. Habai keren bat Deputy Commissioner ke Ribhoi Arpit Upadhyay lapan pau bahadian ke jing yo ke jing ujor la thung yo Majistor ban pelong ke jing Tohkit Halor kani ke bentah.
Complaint was received from Nongpoh Town Committee, and this was last year. After that, again some work was being started, which was done by Nongpoh Town Committee, and a matter was raised against which a preliminary inquiry report I have with me that has been conducted by the ADC in charge of Nongpoh Town Committee. See that land was basically gifted by the Nongpoh Ride itself in the year 2000, and after that it was acquired, I think later on, I think in the year of 2006 or 7 in Land Acquisition Act, the previous one, against which a compensation of 10,000 was given to the ride itself, for which we have all the records and documents. So as per the preliminary report, it clearly shows, as per the map from the Urban Affairs Department also, it was clearly showed that this land belongs to the Nongpoh Town Committee. And although we are still conducting the inquiry, it's in the process. But prima facie, it appears that everything is with the Nongpoh Town Committee itself. And if there is any encroachment or anyone trying to take away the government land which was acquired as per that act, the necessary action will be taken accordingly.